Where's the S&P 500? This is exactly where it is. Could that continue upwards? Of course it could. What's the probability that it will do so without a major fall? Well, that's pretty small. If you look at where we are, and save this video for later, you'll want to keep this. If you look at that, or you look at this, and some of the smaller falls, we are clearly due something. It is very unusual to continue going at this rate. Now, can average prices just keep rising forever and ever? Of course they can. They've done it in the past. For instance, at this point, where it just went astronomical. I would say there's a 50% chance that this is going to double in the same period of time it took here, which is basically in the next 18 months. That the S&P 500 in the next 18 months could double. Why? Well, because the stocks that would essentially have to lead that charge would be Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia. You might say you're absolutely insane, Alpesh. How can it possibly do that? AI would have to be the way, and the level of profitability, and some degree of irrational exuberance, momentum, a blowout at the top before you get this fall. I'm only putting that at a 50% probability because if we revert back to what usually happens, we'll get this kind of thing. So if there's a 50% chance it's going to do this. Either way, we've got to keep buyer processes. The question to ask yourself, are you buying today, are you holding, or are you selling? Well, that's really easy to answer, because if you're risk loving, you would buy more. If you're risk neutral, you'd buy more cautiously. If you're risk averse, you wouldn't buy more. You would hold because there's no reason to sell. You're not selling because that is still going up, and you'd wait until the next one of my videos before you thought about selling. Like I said, save it. It's a really important one. Do like, follow, share, comment, all of those things, because it makes the algorithm all excited. And when the algorithm gets excited, this gets shared with more people, which is critically important to share the wealth. Thank you.